In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your password on Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Navigating Squarespace to find specific settings can sometimes feel like a maze, especially when it comes to security features like passwords. Whether you're a seasoned website creator or new to the digital space, understanding how to manage your website's security is crucial. That's why today I'm going to walk you through the process of locating your password on Squarespace step by step. First things first, let's head over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice various options. But what we're interested in today is getting into our account. So look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will take you closer to finding your password. After clicking on login, Squarespace provides various ways to access your account. For this guide, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This is a straightforward choice for those who have linked their Squarespace account with their Google account. It simplifies the login process, making it faster to get to where we need to be. Once you choose to continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Click on the account that's associated with your Squarespace site. Make sure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any confusion in the following steps. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard of your Squarespace account. This dashboard is where you manage everything related to your site. From here, locate and click on your website from the list provided. This action will take you directly into the back end of your specific website, where all the adjustments and settings can be modified. Now, to find your password, you'll need to access the Pages section of your website. You can do this by visiting the direct link provided in the guide, or if you're navigating from your site's dashboard, look for the menu item labeled Pages. This section is where you can view and edit all the pages that make up your website. Once you're in the Pages section, you'll notice each page has a settings icon, often represented by a gear. Find the page you need the password for and click on its gear icon. This will open the settings for that specific page. In the settings window, look for a menu item or tab labeled Password. This is the section that we're interested in. Clicking here will reveal the password settings for this page. Whether you're looking to recover, reset, or just view the password, this is where you'll find what you're looking for. Keep in mind, managing your passwords and ensuring they're secure is vital for the safety of your website. Using strong, unique passwords for different sites, including your Squarespace account, cannot be overstated. If ever in doubt, consider updating your password to something more secure. To quickly recap, we started by logging into Squarespace using our Google account, navigated to our website through the dashboard, headed into the Pages section, clicked on the settings icon of the particular page we're interested in, and finally located the password section to find our password details. Remember, Squarespace is designed to be user-friendly, but sometimes finding specific settings like your password requires a bit of guidance. I hope this video has helped clarify how to locate your password within Squarespace, ensuring you feel more confident managing your website's security settings. That wraps up our guide for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Managing a website doesn't have to be a daunting task, and with the right knowledge, you're more than equipped to tackle it head on. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.